it's me, Tina Marie, true meaning of radiance. Y'all, I forgot my phone was in my bra. Sorry, I'm like, what is that bulging out a little bit? Sorry, I do keep things in my extra purse, you know, my bra. Sorry about that. But today's video actually is very impromptu because I just got in from work, okay? I'm just getting off the job and it's about to get dark, so I wanted to record this video real quick before it gets dark. This video is, you guessed it, you seen the title, is a Bath & Body Works haul plus review on new summer spring line. I guess it's the summer line now, so I'm going to be telling you guys all about it. Plus they're doing the gingham coupon, spend $10 get a free gingham item. So I told you guys I'm not the biggest fan of gingham. Michael loves it. And it's so funny, I got another Bath & Body Works video coming up that I already recorded, but this one got to take precedence. This one got to come first, okay? But I was like, I don't know, Michael loves it, I don't love it as much, and I don't love gingham as much, but for free, honey, it would be a nice display. So yes, I did the spend 10 get a free gingham. I did take advantage of that. And then it's a new soap line, and there's a new body care, and God, I just can't wait. So I'm recording the video today and working on the upload, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the new soaps. There are 5 new soaps, I think. Nicole No Fire had them all. I didn't like the smell of every single one, and just every single one didn't appeal to me, so I just didn't want to get all 5. So it was 2 that really stood out that I took advantage of. One was because of Michael, and I actually got 2 of them, and this is the Boardwalk Vanilla Cone. Looks just like that. And excuse my nails, y'all, I'm actually going to be getting them off this week. That way I can start packing the move. So one by one I'm trying to take care of them. But yeah, this is the new soap. Well, it's not new, it's a comeback to me. It's every year it comes back, and we all know it's really good, but this year it smells, like Michael said, extra vanilla. No, Nicole No Fire said that. Y'all, I love them both so much. Extra vanilla scent to it, and it really does. Yes, it's like an extra hint of vanilla extract, just like she said. This one is really good. So I bought 2 of them, and I got the Sea Mist and Citrus. It's alright, but I really did want this for the packaging to go in my kitchen for the summer, and I just thought it was really cute, so I just picked up one of those. So these are the 3 soaps that I picked up. I'm just gonna put them over here. Today, which is actually tomorrow when you see the video, they were doing $4.50 sprays. I'm not gonna show you the other spray I got because that'll ruin like talking about the new line, but I did pick up Beautiful Day because I didn't have Beautiful Day. It looks just like that, and you know they got you because they wouldn't let you use these spend 10 get a free gingham, because in order to get $4.95 you had to use a coupon. Bath & Body Works be doing the most, but I love Beautiful Day. I have everything in Beautiful Day but a spray. Well, why not, Tina? Why don't you? But now I do. So for $4.95 I treated myself to that. What else did I get? So now we're going to get into the spend 10 get a free gingham item. That way we can get into the review. So you see I'm trying to make this quick, you know. And the coupon looks like this, just like that. Looks just like that for the gingham body care. Nothing too much to see here. Okay, to say hi. Say hi, Grace.
Hi.
Hi, Grace. So we did the spend 10 get a free
box.
What?
Box.
You helped bring the boxes upstairs. Yes, you did. So we did the spend 10 get a free item. So the first thing is they had these on. They had these on sale. This is Beautiful Day and the wallflower. So I bought that. And then I bought the I bought the Brilliant Citrus too. Looks just like that. So for buying those 2, I got a free gingham item. Show them the free gingham, baby. This is the free gingham I got, and it was in.
It's blue.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, it is blue, and it's in the body wash. Show them.
It's a blue.
It's a wallflower.
Wallflower. It's a cup blue.
It's called Beautiful Day. So we got that. The second thing I did to get,
and the soap is a white, and then a blue, and the baby, the card is white, it's black.
Yes. I got 2 of these. These are the Cocoa Shea Honeys. And these are, what are these?
Oh,
these are a lather rich.
Mommy,
we're not supposed to be showing off the good. We gotta wait. So we got 2 of these.
And we got 2 of these.
We got 2 of those too. Well, we're not going. You're skipping ahead.
Yeah, we got 2.
But I got 2 of these, and they were $5 each, so they were $10.
And the white and black.
Crazy. So it was $10. So for spending that $10, I did get a free gingham lotion
And a spray.
So in a spray, okay.
And then you can get a spray in your eye.
You don't spray that on your eye. That's not the makeup setting spray, Grace.
In the hair.
No, that ain't the one for the hair. That one's for the body. But this is the gingham body lotion. It looks just like that, and that's the one that came free. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mrs. Grace. Miss Grace is getting so big, ain't she? She's a little mini me, and I'm afraid. I am extremely afraid. She likes makeup. She likes playing in my makeup, y'all. I don't really let her wear makeup. She likes smell goods. She likes just being a girl. She is so girly, and it's just crazy. She's a mini me, and I think it's cute, but it's gonna get scary as she gets older. So I hope y'all understood everything in that part of the segment. But let's go on to what we're reviewing. So they have a new line out. 4 pieces came out. I didn't get all 4 because I didn't like all 4. Let me go up to my phone and let me tell you which ones came out. So I know, yeah, I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm not gonna know it from the top of my head. Hold on, guys. Let me see here. So they had wild blueberry, black cherry merlot. They had almond and honey. What is it? What is it? It's probably at the top of this thing. They had pink honeysuckle, and they had sweet almond and honey. Sweet almond and honey, I believe I have in old packaging, so I'm like, I don't need to rebuy it for some black packaging. But they had the wild blueberry, the pink honeysuckle, and again, the black cherry merlot. Y'all know what I was in there for, the black cherry merlot. Because the one that came out this winter was pretty good, but it just didn't hit like the regular black cherry merlot. But this new black cherry merlot line, yes sir. Yes sir. And I did a buy 3 get 3, just so you guys know. So where is all my black cherry merlot stuff? Because I'm over here showing y'all everything. Don't be peeking. Don't peek though. Don't peek, y'all. Don't peek. But yeah, I got the black cherry merlot line. Jeez. I got the moisturizer after one shower gel, the body wash. Yes, a moisturizing body wash. And I'm so happy it came in a different type of packaging this time. It's really cute, and I like it a lot. And it smells just like black cherry merlot. Exactly like it. I'm so happy they gave us black cherry merlot body care that smells just like the soap. This smells exactly like the soap. So if you ever just love the soap and the soap only, yeah, get the full body care line in this one, not the one that came out in the winter. The Mary Cherry Cheer, because Mary Cherry Cheer ain't this, okay? This is the spray, and this has White Barn. It's funny that this is White Barn and this is not Bath and Body Works, but it's all still the same company, so I don't know what was the brands behind that, but whatever. But can you guys see? That's what that looks like here. Very beautiful packaging. I love the packaging. The thought put into this was really nice. Smells just like black cherry merlot. I love it. I love it. I love it. Cannot say it enough. I love it. And this is the body cream. I just love this, how they are together. Like, so cute. Like, this really excites me because Bath and Body Works can put out some duds, but this is really cute. The fragrance notes, just if you didn't know, is dark cherry, black raspberry, sumptuous merlot. Yeah. Ooh, so excited to smell like a black cherry merlot. And that's what this packaging looks like right here. Absolutely love the packaging. Love everything about the black cherry line. I say get it. If you love black cherry merlot, you're gonna love it in body care. I know one lady in the store said she didn't really like black cherry merlot in the body care. She didn't want to smell like it, but shoot, honey, I don't mind, okay? So that's the black cherry merlot. Now let's get on to the other line that I picked up, because I only picked up 2. I didn't like the honeysuckle thing. I didn't like that, and like I said, the almond one, I already have one in a different form. I love this so much that I had to pick up one today for $4.50. And if you guys can see it, there it is. That's the wild blueberry. Honey. When you get a buy 3 get 3 free and you got the wild berry line for free and you still have to go back to the store and pick up another single, it's the truth. It's the truth. I absolutely love this one. I thought black cherry merlot would be my favorite. No, my favorite is the wild blueberry. Of course, it does come in a moisturizer after shower, one wash, moisturizing body wash. Is it moisturizing? I don't know. But that's what it looks like right there. And this is 10 fluid ounces, so standard 10 fluid ounces. Love the packaging. This is the 24-hour moisture ultra shea body cream, 8 ounces. There it is right there. And the, of course, the mist. And I got 2 of them. And this is what the mist look like right here. Of course, it's wraparound packaging. Ooh, let me give you, this is my favorite. Hands down, it smells so good. The notes in this: tart blueberries, wild thyme, yeah, and white musk. This smells so good, y'all. I'm just spraying everything, I know, but when you want to smell like a blueberry, this is so good. Like, if you don't get anything, you don't get black cherry merlot, if you don't get the honeysuckle, if you don't get the almond whatever thingy, I don't even know, because it don't really interest me. Wild blueberry is the ish, and I don't mind smelling like wild blueberry all year round. This one smells so good. Like this, I would want another backup of the lotion, and I would love another backup of the shower gel. It smells that good. Let shower gels go on sale $4.95. Let them. I bet you I'll find me $5. Okay, let any of it go on sale for $5. I'm gonna get it. It smells really, really good. Yes, yes. Wild blueberry is life. Like, that's why I made the video today, because wild blueberry is life, and I gotta get it out there. If you ain't got it, you need to get it. If you're ordering online, go through eBay, get cash money, get cash back on your purchases. But man, okay, Bath and Body Works, we see you. Like, I like getting the gingham items for free, because I said it in a video that's going to be coming out after this video, because I'm so happy and excited to do this one. This one's coming first. But this is going to be in my vanity area at the new place, because I just think it's nice and sleek and pretty, and it's going to just stand out and look pretty. Not really to use it, but it's free, so free decoration, why not? And if I want to dig into it and use it and give it a go, fine. But to me, gingham didn't do a lot for me. It just didn't. But this wild blueberry, honey, this me. Make it clap, make it clap. Like, this is me. Wild blueberry is me. So yeah, I just want to get on here. Grace wanted to get on here. We just want to show you our little haul. Y'all check out the new line. Black cherry merlot smells just like black cherry merlot body care. So it smells just like it. And my mom is calling, telling me to pick up Christian. So I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.